Hey guys, and we are back with another video. Today is gonna be pretty much like a maintenance day for me. Right now I'm about to head into my lash appointment for my lash extensions. Now this is how it's looking right now. It's not looking too bad, but it needs to be refilled or done over completely because it took me forever to get an appointment. So I'm gonna do that today, and then I'm also just gonna go back home and show you guys my new luxury item that I recently got. It is freaking hot in this car. I'm gonna see if I can vlog me getting my lash extensions done here, if they would let me. I don't know if they would. I have never gotten my lashes done from here, but from what I've seen in the photos, it looks really nice and they got great reviews, so hopefully that goes well. It is hot. This is like one of the hottest days of the summer. It's 90 something degrees. I'm burning up in my car. I'm dedicated because I'm vlogging right now in this hot car. Guys, do not forget to follow me on Instagram, and also hit up my online store for my used and new clothes. Also, I recently just made a TikTok. Well, I've always had a TikTok. Let me stop lying. I've always had a TikTok account, but I've recently posted my first TikTok video. So you guys go and check that out. It's the same name as always, Snail Caress. Instagram, Tennille Caress. It'll be somewhere over here on the screen so that you guys will be able to visually see it. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and go in here because I'm burning up. I am frying in my own car, like frying, so I got to go. See you guys when I get back. And we're back. Today is wash day, so I look kind of crazy. I needed to wash my hair, and I'm letting my hair air dry, and then I'm probably going to either twist it or braid it and then put my wig back on. But yeah, today's wash day, guys. I had to wash my hair, and my hair is a little, like, I have a little bit of heat damage, a little bit, but it's not a lot. And hair is hair, heat damage or not, so I'm not gonna cut it off. But my hair is doing very great. It's very healthy. The new growth is amazing. I love my new growth. My new growth is growing in, like, my hair's growing like really nicely. It's growing really good, really healthy. I think I'm just gonna keep doing the wigs and then doing blowouts. I did think about doing a keratin treatment again, but I'm probably not gonna do that. Probably just gonna leave it the way it is. It is about 4 days later from the last time that I started vlogging. When I first started vlogging, I was talking about my lashes and how I went to get my lashes done. See, my lashes are done now. When I first got them done the first time around, they were a lot more thicker. I'm starting to like them more now because they're thinning out, like the lashes are falling and stuff like that. So that's great. I mean, because I felt like it was just too much at first. I didn't feel like it looked really natural. I feel like now it looks a lot more natural because it's less lashes and it's still nice and voluminous, and I still got the cat eye going on. So I like it better now. I usually do a classic, but this time around I did like a hybrid. I feel like it's a little too thick for me, the hybrid one. I'd rather just a classic, regular, you know, make it look like I got just some mascara on. Anywho, so I told you guys that I will come back to you and, you know, show you what I have recently purchased, my luxury items that I have recently purchased. So I got that here going for you. Yeah, guys, so let me show you guys what I recently got. I recently got some new shoes. This is the box. I already opened it up. I actually already did an unboxing on my TikTok, and I shared it to I basically shared it to all my social media platforms. So if you're not following me on social media, go ahead. Like I said, go ahead and check out the links below and follow me on IG, TikTok, to get to, you know, be a little bit more nosy, get to see what I do day-to-day life, and get the scoop on what I bought before I go on YouTube. So this is the Fuchsia Crystal Satin with Crystal Piece by Jimmy Choo. What is this? Oh, that is. It comes with the little pamphlet thingy, and it tells you, you know, information on the shoes. And I think they also tell you how to care for it and stuff like that in this little pamphlet here. This is like the fresh pack. I don't know. Yeah, you're supposed to throw it out. Anyways, and now here we have the shoes. So these are the shoes here. Very beautiful. A fuchsia pink. So it's a really bright pink color. We got the crystals here at the bottom. I have no idea what I'm going to wear this with yet, but I'm thinking for right now, like all black, let the shoes do all the talking, you know, really pretty. And it will go perfect with my Jimmy Choo bag that I recently got as well. I don't know if I did an unboxing on my Jimmy Choo bag. I probably did not do that, but I can show you guys what bag I would pair it with. It's so pretty. The light hits it, night light, daylight, it doesn't matter. It's sparkling. It's really cute. I like it. Super girly. I'm going to show you the Jimmy Choo bag that I would pair it with, because I do have a Jimmy Choo bag. So give me 1 second. So I recently also got this Jimmy Choo bag. I don't think it's called a bucket bag. What's the name of this bag called? Actually, let me go get the thing for it so I can tell you exactly what the name of the bag is. All right, so this bag comes with certification of authenticity, you know, for the bags, Jimmy Choo, certification of authenticity. Then there's the name of the bag and how you can find it. So it's the Bonbon bag, all black. It's velvet with metal handle. Like, this gives you the description of the bag. Dang, I'm so glad I did not throw this away, because I was just about to throw this away. Yeah. And I think they also have a SKU on the inside of their bags too. That proves that it's real. I'm not too sure, but I think so. And then of course this tells you the care. Got the little care. The care little booklets on how to take care of it. So this is the bag right here. It's a Bonbon bag. So I had no idea these come in like 3 different sizes. So this is like the medium one. And believe it or not, it comes smaller than this. And I can't even fit, like, my whole entire phone can't fit in this bag. So that gives you an idea of how small this bag is. This is how small the bag is. Like, do you see that? Like, this is how small the bag is. Like, it's really small, but it's really cute. I really like it. I thought it would be bigger when I first got it, but I need to start looking at sizes. I did like the Bonbon bag, the all leather Bonbon bag with the gold and leather handle. That's the brown one. I don't know what color it is described online, but it's the brown, all leather and metal handle bag. That one is on the bigger side. I probably should have gotten that one, but instead I was like, oh, I want to get this one because I don't have a velvet luxury bag, and this is really cute. It's very classic. Black is timeless, it never goes out. We got the black velvet, and then we have the gold hardware, so it's really, really cute. And you just pull it out like this. And it's really like, I got the stuff still in it. Oh yeah, and it has a handle on the inside, I forgot. It has an all gold, not handle, an all gold strap, so you can wear it as a crossbody. Wait, is this gold? Yeah, it definitely is gold. But the thing is that who's gonna wear, I mean, who's gonna wear it as a strap, like a crossbody? Like, I get it, versatility wise, nice, but no, like, I feel like the bag makes more of a statement if it's held by the handle like this. And I would definitely pair this all black gold with these shoes. Absolutely. Super cute. Jimmy Choo bonbon bag, Jimmy Choo shoes. Really cute. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And I never used to shop Jimmy Choo, but now I'm starting to really like their stuff. Oh, and the size for these shoes is a 38.5. So basically it's a 7.5 in these shoes. And I think this was the last size that they had that would fit me. So I'm so glad I ended up getting it. And how much did that end up being? The shoes ended up being like $600 something, I think. Not too bad. Almost like a pair of red bottoms. What am I doing now? Anywho, I have not yet worn these shoes, so I can't wait to step out in them. I need to, like, not somebody, but like, I need to go out on a date, like a date. Or I can just go out. But I feel like this is not like, these are like, you gotta wear these. And you gotta wear these somewhere. You can't just wear them out anywhere. Like, no. They're too cute. So I'm about to wear those as soon as I get the opportunity to. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. All right, guys, I think I'm going to wrap this video up here. I'm going to go and do some more creative content, maybe like make another TikTok or something like that. But thank you guys for watching. Again, as always, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok. And do not forget to check out my online store. Bye.